Science, safety, satisfaction. Any life sciences company involved in the manufacture of biopharmaceuticals needs to know those words are the cornerstones of the vendors and companies involved in their supply chain. But it's difficult to tell where bioreactor flexware or final fill assemblies came from, how they were made, under what conditions, and what their manufacturing facilities are like. Until now. Welcome to the Millipore Sigma facility tour of its Danvers, Massachusetts manufacturing plant. You are about to see our state-of-the-art single-use manufacturing facility where the Mobius product line of ready-to-use assemblies and flexware is developed and produced in a quest to help you achieve greater process efficiency and productivity. Over the years, we've made significant investments in the manufacturing of our disposable products, providing additional processing. Where we built our facility is no accident. Although many don't know it, we selected the location for the fact that it resides squarely in America's second largest high-tech area, the Silicon Valley of the biotech industry. In fact, it is the largest concentration of biotech companies in the U.S. and perhaps the world. The plant is located in Danvers, a suburb of Boston, one of America's greatest and oldest cities. The local and regional area offer an unmatched pool of labor talent and entrepreneurial direction from many of the nation's leading universities that help fuel and drive the growth and expansion we have already experienced. It's high-tech meets nature when you look out the window of the Millipore Sigma Danvers facility. Lush, natural wetlands surround the building and provide an ecological setting along with the benefit of a nice privacy buffer. The facility itself is divided into these main areas: lobby, design and engineering, testing and quality control labs, bag manufacturing and assembly clean rooms, shipping and receiving, administrative support, meeting areas, and employee areas that workers see as a great benefit and also enhance work productivity by reducing time spent away from the facility. A team of over 50 on-site engineers helps guide the manufacturing specifications for your projects. Using state-of-the-art hardware and our in-house configuration tool, your custom designs are perfectly realized in 3D virtual space and then implemented into our cleanroom manufacturing systems, delivering true flexibility, accurate integration, and an optimized solution for your process per your specifications. At the heart of our facility is over 25,000 square feet of pristine clean rooms, both Class 10,000 and Class 100,000, used for film cutting and sealing and port bonding for bag manufacturing and final assembly, integrity testing, inspection, and packaging, all producing the industry's finest single-use bags and assemblies from 50 millimeters to 3,000 liters. All components used in the manufacturing process must meet stringent requirements before they are included in our component library and permitted into the cleanroom. Incoming materials are inspected and tested to ensure compliance with our specifications, then labeled and introduced to inventory. Next, a work order is generated that will closely track the product as it is created. The outer bag is removed, wiped down, and passed into the Class 100,000 clean room. In our Class 10,000 area, the automated processes used at our facility allow for increased flexibility, efficiency, and quality. That allows a high degree of customization with dependable, reproducible, validated processes. Our single-use products begin life when they are cut from panels on the flash cutter. CAD specifications feed into the computer-driven cutting machines. The next step is to bond the required ports onto each panel of the bag. From there, the film is sealed using strict computer controls for the time, pressure, and temperature of each bond. Lastly, the bags go to final assembly, where the quality single-use products you trust achieve their final form. All bags are integrity tested using a manual controlled pressure decay test. Final assemblies are integrity tested in accordance with their certification levels using either a manual or automated method. This allows for detection of defects down to 30 microns. Depending on the quality level required for each product, assemblies are tested at either an agreed-upon sample rate or at one-to-one testing for each unit. After integrity testing, final quality control is performed. Each unit is inspected to verify that all components are present and visually acceptable. In addition, samples are measured to verify that the critical dimensions for bags and tubing meet specifications. Finally, the product is meticulously inspected on a light table and against a dark background for particles. The units are then double-bagged and labeled. Then they disappear through the pass-through window and head to the QC lab for more exhaustive testing. They pass through gamma sterilization, and when all endotoxin and particulate testing has been completed and product sterility information has been verified, the assemblies are finally returned to the warehouse, ready to be shipped to you, the end user. Getting in and out of the manufacturing clean rooms is not easy. It's conducted through an airlock, where protective clothing is put on, such as hoods, face masks, gloves, boots, and coveralls. Gowning is conducted and worn according to strict protocols. One particularly important aspect of the clean rooms is not something easily seen: the particulate control strategy, the underlying backbone of the entire clean room operation. Outside air is first carefully filtered to exclude dust, and then inside air is constantly recirculated through a series of filters to remove internally generated contaminants. This is just one aspect of our extensive particulate control strategy, designed to minimize particles in clean rooms. With demand rising, we have aggressive plans on adding capabilities. Expansions include additional cleanroom space, as well as a new lab space, and ample warehousing, almost an additional doubling of warehouse space. Our Danvers facility is your solution for seamless, single-use manufacturing. With proven platforms developed collaboratively with our customers, backed by our deep expertise, we are confident you will have peace of mind across your entire process. Although it's difficult to see, there is so much that goes into the making of our Mobius single-use assemblies and flexware. We hope this video has helped you realize just how much really does go into our manufacturing process. Expertise, design, technology, quality in the manufacturing process, and control over the final product. Downstream and upstream, Everything we do shows the highest level of commitment and excellence that achieves our two main objectives, trust and peace of mind. From patients to drug manufacturers, scientists to operators, you can trust Millipore Sigma and the quality products from its Danvers, Massachusetts facility.